Okay, class, this is the second part of the video. Apparently, the video recording that I use, they only allow me to limit up to 15 minutes since I'm using the cloud version. The regular, the regular software allows me to record up to 20 minutes. Okay. All right. So I apologize for being cut off in the middle. All right. I think the last time that we talked is on the instructor expectation on the course, right? So be sure you read this carefully and thoroughly. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, and I will try to answer and do clarification as best as I can. All right, the next section is topic outline, right? Student may need to spend average about, well, it says 6 to 8 hours, maybe 7 to 10 hours per week, depending on the students' backgrounds and familiarity with the curriculum. Because some students may have some experience already in the field, so they may pick up the concept and the lab quicker compared to others that just start learning on the subject, right? So studying 3 times a week is preferable and more effective than a single 5 hour session on Saturday. So as you can see here, this is a 16 weeks course. In the first week of class, student will have a video lab, ethical hacking virtual setup. I have the information in here on the content. So when you log into Blackboard, if you go to week 1, which is run from January 21st to January 26th on Sunday, I have information how to set up Kali. I even have a note here, right? So video lab, ethical hacking virtual lab. So please watch this video, and if you have any questions, you can contact the lab assistant through Discord. I will share with you how to set up Discord. Let me see if I have a Discord in this machine here. No, apparently I haven't installed Discord. So we have 3 lab assistants. Their names are Esteban Cedio, Reynold Cantu, and Mario Ramirez, right? So we have some video. I created a video how to set up PFSend and Kali Linux VirtualBox for the lab. Okay, so visit the first week folder, right? So video ethical hacking setup. I have my note here, and here is information about Discord tutoring, right? Discord tutoring. If you haven't start with the if you are not familiar with the Discord, here is the information about how to set up install Discord in your computers. Okay, so please do this in the first week of classes because this is very important. Um, if you have any questions regarding the lab or the course, you can ask me or the lab assistant. I have class in the morning up to 1 p.m. So the lab assistant are available Monday to Thursday from 8 to 5 p.m. or 5:30 p.m. and then on Friday from 8 to 12 noon because the college works on the 4.5 days a week, right? Uh, so if you have any questions, please feel free to contact one of us, to contact me or the lab assistant. Do not wait until the last minute to request to ask for help because sometimes they are busy or maybe the time are kind of tight. All right. So student introduction. Please introduce yourself. Right. What is your full name? What do you like to be called? Any IT or computer related work experience, if any. If no, that's okay too. Just mention it. What is your career goals after completion of the BET program? What are the courses you enroll in the current semesters? Hobbies and interests, or anything that you like to share to the class. Perhaps your pictures if you like. All right. Okay, so that is the first week of class. So once you finish this, the first week of class, then we will go to week number 2, right? Hacking web servers. Okay, hacking web server. We're gonna do Burp Suite, right? I have my video about lab on the Burp Suite using brute force. Okay, and then I have a quiz here, right? Uh, I put the due date here. Did I put the due date here? Due date on the 28th, on the February 24th. Okay, so when when you first log into Blackboard, this is what you will find out. Okay, because this is an instructor view. So this one you will see the Start Here folder, Office Hour, right? And then software and resources, how to download Kali, Metasploitable 2, VirtualBox, and PFSend. And then I also open week 2. I don't know whether I should open week 2 or not, but I think I'm gonna open week 2. That way you can see and view, right? Uh, Normally, the college recommend us, the college recommend faculty only open the first weeks because some people may get confused if we open too many folders. So, however, I think since this is an advanced level course, I think most of you should already familiar about with the Blackboard and also the program, right? Okay, so click here, start here. I have the instructor information. I will put a link on the Discord here, right? After I finish my recording, and here the syllabus. Okay, let me see what is in here. Okay, you can see my information here, right? I have my video instruction introduction, welcoming class, CLO, course description. Basically, this is almost similar to the the syllabus that I just discussed with you all. So lab assignment, video lab assignment is 60%, quizzes are 20%, and exam, midterm, and final are 20% each, 20% total. So each of these exam worth 10%. Okay. So if you ask me what's my grade so far, well, each time that you finish assignment, I will put the grade next to this and then add all the point at the end of the semesters. Okay. So please review this. This one is similar like the syllabus that I just go over. For AI statement, generative AI use are generative AI use is allowed under specific condition or with explicit permission. Make sure you put citation if you are going to use AI, right? Because there's no point that uh, you take this course if everything will be use AI, but we also need to use technology to help us achieve our goals. So this is like a tools, right? For this course may permit the use of AI, including ChatGPT and similar tools. Instructor will specify when and where and how these tools may be used and provide guidance on proper attribution, right? Use generative AI tool outside this specific context will be viewed as a violation of South Texas academic integrity policy. So be sure you put citation where you get it from, right? If you are using the AI. Okay, so let me exit on the student view. So in the first few days, in the first week of classes, I would suggest you familiar with the course, right? Navigate to each of this, right? Navigate to each of this link, and I already changed the due date because this is from the instruction point of view. Let me see. On the student preview, if I go to student preview, I don't think you will see all of this, right? Because the instructor view is different from the student. So the grade book, okay, you only have a few assignment that is due, right? In the first week of class. Discord tutoring server, video lab ethical hacking, virtual lab, and then we have a quiz, right? This is the following week, right? This is week number 2. Uh, what else I like to cover here? Well, I hope that this video is informative to you. And as I mentioned to you, download it and print it, put that in the folder so you can review this thing. The rest of this information, like institutional policy, we have a lot. So for the sake of the time, I would let you read all of this to you on your own time. We have a starfish activation, non-discrimination, Title IX, and so on, right? Mm, I don't know how many pages here, so let me double check it. So I may have to add something about things. Uh, okay, so if I go to view, print, let me see how many pages. So maybe about 10 pages here. Yeah, nine or 10 pages here. Okay, so you can go to library and do some print out. Uh, I will post this video orientation in the Start Here link folder, say video orientation. Again, thank you so much for watching, and also thank you for enrolling for the course. Hope you have a great semester and learn some good materials and skill throughout the semester. See you in the class, and thank you.